Most reward apps never ask for your credit score because they pay you for completing activities, not for borrowing money or opening a line of credit. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that people with bad credit can use and what each one is best for. First is Rewarded Play. This app rewards you for playing mobile games from its catalog. You collect points as you play eligible games and redeem those points for gift cards. Since you're earning rewards through gameplay, your credit history isn't part of the process. Just install the app, choose a supported game, and start earning points. Next is Mist Play. It's another gaming rewards app available on Android that lets you earn units by playing featured games. Those units can be exchanged for gift cards from supported retailers. The app focuses on your activity inside the platform rather than your financial background, making it accessible to users regardless of their credit score. Third is FreeCash. Instead of only offering games, FreeCash includes surveys, app downloads, and gaming offers. You can choose the tasks that fit your interests and earn rewards after completing eligible offers. If one offer doesn't appeal to you, there are usually plenty of others available inside the app. Fourth is Fetch Rewards. This app works differently because it rewards you for scanning shopping receipts. Buy eligible products, upload your receipt, and collect points that can be redeemed for gift cards. Your ability to earn depends on your shopping activity, not your credit profile. The fifth recommendation is Inbox Dollars. It gives users multiple ways to earn through surveys, videos, games, and promotional offers. Because you can switch between different earning methods, it's a flexible option if you don't want to spend all your time playing games. Before installing any reward app, download it from the official App Store, read the eligibility requirements, and check the available payout methods in your country. Some apps offer gift cards, while others support cash withdrawals or additional redemption options depending on your location. Remember that reward apps are designed to provide extra spending money, not replace a paycheck. The best results usually come from using them consistently, instead of expecting large rewards overnight. To recap, Rewarded Play and Mist Play are great if you enjoy mobile games. FreeCash offers the widest variety of earning opportunities. Fetch Rewards rewards everyday shopping, and Inbox Dollars combines several earning methods in one place. Pick the app that matches how you already spend your time, create your account, and complete a few tasks to see which one works best for you. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best reward apps available in 2026.